Minimal here. Just gonna do a little update about what I'm doing right now. I was trying to figure out what to do for a bathroom shelf, and I went through a couple different designs, and I finally saw this shelf that I liked online, so I thought I'm just gonna make that. Right now I've painted these pieces of plywood that I cut, and as you'll see, once they're dry, I'm just gonna screw in some birch wood pieces around, and you'll see the final product. So right now I just picked out this, it's called Wilderness Green. I just was told the woman at Lowe's, I just want like a dark green, so I just picked this out. And the bathroom floor is going to be a sage green. So this is the most color I have. The nice thing is I can always paint over the floor. I can always paint these shelves. But I decided I wanted a little bit more color and creativity in the bathroom, just because I wanted to be a little bit interesting in there. Anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm working on the bathroom shelves. So I had painted the little pieces of wood green, and so right now these are the sort of legs, and I just polyurethane them. Do you like this mess out here? Yeah, it's pretty great. So yeah, just gonna keep working on that, and you'll see when I start putting it together. I'm just gonna show you some updates on the bathroom shelf that I'm making, so you can kind of see what my idea was with that. Alright, so here's the bathroom shelf. It's lying on its side right now. It's lying on the sofa frame that I just built, actually. There's the stove base. The stove is going to go right there. And then the sofa frame. And I got the closet over here. Anyway, so here I'm just using this propped up, the legs propped up like that, so it's sideways. A little bit hard to see right now because of the lighting, but I'm just kind of putting each piece of wood underneath and then screwing in. So there's going to be 5 shelves along, and then it's going to stand up straight. So the birch wood here, so I had all this extra plywood that then I painted this dark green. And then these birch pieces of wood, these strips, I put polyurethane on them in order to make them watertight and not mold. This paint will do that for the shelves, but I needed something for this. And then I used decking screws, and they turned out really cool. I got these little green ones because it matches the paint, and that means that they're also weatherproof. So it's good for the bathroom. So that's what I'm doing right here, just measuring. I'm spacing each shelf at 12 inches. That's just how it worked out. The height of the whole thing is 64 inches, but I'll show you a video when we get there. All right, everyone, moment of truth. Here's my bathroom shelf. Ta-da! Step back so you can see a little bit. Still needs a little bit of touching up, but that's basically it. And it's going to go in the corner of the bathroom, and I'll need to do a little wiggling and stuff to level it, but yeah, here it is, 5 shelves. If anyone has any questions or wants to make this same bathroom shelf, just let me know. I can send you the specifications and heights and all that.